Hello and welcome. Today we'll be discussing how to find the volume of rectangular pyramids. In order to find the volume of a rectangular pyramid, we first need to look at the base shape. Obviously we know it is a rectangle because we're calling it a rectangular pyramid. Now when we talk about finding the volume of these shapes, this is the same equation despite whether it is a rectangular or triangular pyramid, and that's going to be V equals 1/3 base times height. The main difference between rectangular and triangular pyramids, however, will be that obviously the base is rectangular if it's a rectangular, and if it's triangular, it's triangular. But that means our base value will be changing here. If we have a rectangular pyramid, that means we're going to be using the area of a rectangle, which is length times width. Being that this is a rectangle right here, we know the length is 9 inches and we know the width is 7 inches. And so we could plug this in as 9 times 7. 9 times 7 will give me 63, and so I know the area of the base is 63 inches squared currently. So we're going to go ahead and plug 63 in for our base value. V equals 1/3 times 63 times, well, our h value. Our h is our height. Our height is how tall our triangle is, and that's actually given to us right here. It says it's 11 inches. So we're going to go ahead and plug that in for our height. And now we end up with our values 63 times 11 times 1/3. I'm going to go ahead and multiply my whole numbers here first. 63 times 11. 1 times 3 will give me 3. 1 times 6 will give me 6. 1 times 3 again 3, and 1 times 6 again 6. Put them all together and we get our solution of 693. Now this is not our final answer, obviously. We still need to multiply 1/3 times 693 because we've multiplied our base and our height here, and we still have that 1/3 left over. So we need to do 693 times 1/3, which is the same as saying 693 divided by 3. So 3 goes into 6 twice. Subtract that and bring down our 9. 3 goes into 9 3 times. That'll give us 9. And then 3 will bring down, and we'll say 3 goes into 3 perfectly one time. Don't know why I wrote a 3. So that'll give us our solution of 233. So our 231. Our volume thus is 231 inches cubed. Now remember, we are using cubed because we are talking about three-dimensional objects and talking about the volume. So that means we are using cubed, and we're using inches because our unit measurement was in inches. And that is how we find the volume of a rectangular pyramid.